Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, let's start on the daily chart. I want to take a look at the bigger picture. I'm currently updating our long-term charts that you have access to as channel member. So silver and gold members do get access to all of our charts on TradingView. Also all the long-term charts that we have created. Not for every coin, the long-term charts. Some charts just don't justify it because either the quality of the chart is poor or the chart history is too short. But for ADA, we can say that possibly a larger wave 1 completed here in September 21, and the wave 2 in the white scenario, which is the bullish idea, the bullish scenario. Wave 1 might have bottomed in June last year. Yeah, just see, I need to change the wave degree of this one. But yeah, overall the idea is that Wave 2 bottomed here in June last year. And now we could be in this leading diagonal pattern. It would be basically, you could say, a wave 1 of a wave 1 again. But obviously, to keep going, the price needs to hold certain support levels. We talk about them on the smaller time frame. But basically, to really get further confirmation that indeed a lasting low in this circle, wave 2, formed, the price needs to form 5 waves. So one more high, possibly towards the 90-cent region, is needed. Yeah, if we get 5 waves up, then it gives us further clarity that at least there is an increased probability that the market really has formed a low, and that in an upcoming pullback, which would be here, wave 2, a higher low can hold. The problem is, due to the configuration on the ADA chart, it's also possible that this move down was only an A wave in the yellow interpretation, in which the wave 2 will reset a bit lower. This here is an A, B, C structure in a B wave, and we might see a new bear market low afterwards. So after that one more high, if it happens, which currently is the primary scenario, we could see a new low. I just need to highlight, I think you should know that. So it's all about risk management. It's just something to be aware of, okay? So that could easily complete a B wave. And it's just something that, if we then break below certain support levels, which I cannot define at this stage yet, but if the price breaks below certain support levels, it will be extremely difficult for a directly bullish scenario. So that's sort of what I'm observing. Long-term support is obviously still holding. Long-term support is at 24 cents, 13.2, and even 5.6 cents. And I can see the 13.2 cent level as possible key Fibonacci level should the price make a new bear market low, which ideally is avoided because it would just send the price back into long-term depression, you could say. So hopefully the bulls can form 5 waves up. That is the next step that needs to be achieved. Now, looking then at the looking at the shorter time frame. Where's the shorter time frame? Go ahead. Here. Shorter time frame. Yeah, this is the idea where, as I just showed you on the daily chart, the third wave topped here, obviously, around the 8th of December. Yeah, 9th of December, 8th of December. That's the third wave in this diagonal. Now, the wave 4 might have bottomed, but obviously latest price action definitely challenges that idea. So as I said already yesterday, the overall support zone for this wave 4, and again, just want to show it to you on the longer time frame here. This wave 4 we're talking about, where wave 4 support needs to hold. This support is by far not maxed out, so there is still further downside, okay? 43.9 cents, 39 cents, 34.6 cents. These levels are still relevant, and as long as they hold, yeah, there is no, let's say, there's no need to change the wave count. So it's all about now exploring where the wave 4 could end. Okay, is it maybe already finished? Possible, but price action currently doesn't really suggest that anymore. Also, the rally, remember, was only in 3 waves, so very, very fragile structure. And the yellow count that I presented you a couple of days ago indicates a potential 5-wave move down. It would be a C wave. I haven't labeled the entire count, but it would be a C wave in wave 4. And this C wave, well, could land around, 39 cents maybe. Probably 44 is a little bit shallow for that, but you know, at the moment there is no indication that a low is in. So yeah, that's what I'm tracking here. Possibly might, if this really is a 5-wave move down to finish off wave 4, it probably will end below 44 cents. Now what is possible is that it's doing a bit of a flat structure here. A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, and then it could still come down. So it's just something to be aware of. This structure is a bit messy. The support area is clearly defined, and only really an impulse to the upside would suggest that some kind of a low is in place. At the moment, if we lose the 49.3 cent level, which at the moment is looking like that, which is basically the previous swing low, but also Fibonacci support, then it might send the price down to 46.5, and below that level 44 and then 39. But all of them are still relevant support levels for this larger fourth wave. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.